My name's Ruby Sumner and I'm 23. I came to this course after doing an art foundation, which I kind of realised just didn't really fit in with what I was interested in. I was much more interested in traditional and historical sculpture, and this is Windsor, my Windsor model, which is obviously an owl in flight. To do with symbolism, there is a lot of symbolism with owls, but actually I just picked it purely for sculptural reasons. I just found it really interesting. I think they're very kind of mysterious creatures.
My name's Catherine Ladd and I'm a third year diploma student on the Sitting Guild's stone carving course. My design is based around Romanesque carvings inspired by the cathedrals of Chartres and Autun. I like the fact that over the saints or sculptures there's a small canopy, and the canopies contain little houses or buildings or dwellings that are similar to this. I wanted to draw a parallel, or I thought it was an interesting parallel, about having a house to protect the house of, or the sacred space that is St George's Chapel, and the idea of home and how people view their own home as a sacred space. So it was having a house to protect the chapel. It is slightly different from what would normally be perceived as a grotesque.
Yeah, it's going really good at the moment. It was quite daunting at first, but once we kind of gotten going, it's a lot easier now, and the stone's really soft, and so it's quite quick actually.
I'm just about to start doing all the detail, so that's what I'm starting on today, and marking in the mouldings around the side. So I've got everything concrete in place that I can work from.
Keep coming on with it.